Prophet Muhammad ﷺ told us. There's a hadith. So a group of sisters want to continue fasting Mondays and Thursdays. They fast Monday and Thursday, right? You know why we fast Monday and Thursday? No, I just said it.
Those are the days that the deeds are presented.
Yes, those are the days when yours and mine's, our books are shown to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You all go to school. Imagine I tell you, hey man, Adam and Hassan, right now principal is looking at your records. You'll be, man, okay, let me make sure I'm in a good shape, right? You're careful. Is Allah more important than the principal or less? Or equal? Astaghfirullah. Equal, less, more?
More.
Absolutely more, right? And I'm just giving this example. Laysa kamithlihi shay. You can't even compare that. Just to help us understand, right? You have to be extra cautious when your deeds are presented. So that's why Prophet and companions used to fast a lot on Mondays and Thursdays. There's another report that people say a lot on Rabiul Awwal that I was born this day. That's why I'm fasting. It's not sahih. That hadith has a da'if rawi bil ittifaq, with agreement, even if it's in Muslim. I know it's in Muslim, but it's da'if. The birthday is not accurate. So, yes, you can continue fasting, even if you have hit the half of Shaban. Because Prophet told us, إِذَا بَقِيَ نِصْفُ مِنْ شَعْبَانِ. Remember a few minutes ago I just mentioned that you don't have time to practice extra fasting, but you could still try Monday and Thursday, right? Prophet said, if half of Shaban is gone, then don't fast. But on your prayer schedule, there's a hadith that says he was fasting almost all Shaban. What's that? Have you seen that on your prayer schedule? Yeah? He was fasting all Shaban. But then why did he tell us not to fast all Shaban?
But he wanted us to be strong for Ramadan.
Yeah, Prophet is more strong than us. Allah has given him, he used to fast sometimes days in a row. Have you ever done that? Days in a row. 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, 7 days in a row. Can you believe it? 24 hours. It's called Samu Bisal. And some companions tried and they were down, up. And they were competing with him. He said, you know what? If I wasn't merciful to you, I would not stop. And I will continue until you suffer. Why are you competing with me? You can't do everything like me. He told them, you cannot do everything like me. So it's for us. But at the same time, look how careful Prophet Muhammad ﷺ he is and wise. He said, when you are in a routine of things, like every Monday and Thursday you fast, keep doing it. It's okay. You can do, Pir Jumerat, okay? But, one thing. The last day of Shaban, which is the 30th day, do not fast that day. Make it a special day to welcome Ramadan. Alright? Not to do parties. It's actually to respect Ramadan, that you're going to enter Ramadan without fasting. Enjoy the food and all that, and when Allah tells you stop, this is beginning of Ramadan, you say Alhamdulillah, I'm starting now. Good? That's the intention, out of respect for Ramadan.